So we're going to talk about some tin tools here, just kind of give you a brief demonstration of these things. Here we have a bull nose, tin snips, straight snips. We want to be using this through any multi-material cuts. So cutting through like round ductwork, we'd want to start cutting through the pieces with that, or if you're cutting through any, here's some long snips, cutting a long distance, those would work very well for. Next up we got the V cutter, notcher, great for cutting out corners, very handy to have. Otherwise you can make V cuts with just regular tin snips as well. Here we have an awl. We can either use it for cutting, marking, popping a hole through something. Works good for putting your temperature probes in for doing temp rises. Here we have some straight snips, just making straight cuts. Don't use mine a whole lot for just making tin cuts. Next up we have our rights and our lefts. So if you want to go to the right, you'll use the rights. If you want to go to the left, you'll use the lefts. Here is a duct stretcher. So when we're putting ductwork together, we're going to have our cleats. We want to put our cleats in the middle there, as I'm pointing out, and you turn the thing to be able to put your drive through. Very handy to have. Next up, we got our hand seamers. Bigger than what I usually normally use. I use a 4-inch, this is a 6-inch, but work great for bending anything over. Need to put a lip onto a piece of duct. Here's for marking out tin, so you can adjust those. You can basically mark anything you want to do as long as, run it alongside the sheet. Sitting in that groove, you can do 1-inch marks.